guys.
Had a good trip.
So we are at the Mac Trailer Winter Nationals 2023 with Miles and his dad, Gary, and he has this awesome tractor called Big Bud. Now, you guys told me a little bit earlier ago that you guys got this out of Montana. Is that correct?
Yeah, we did. We bought it from the original guy that built the tractors. Bought it from Big Equipment in Montana.
And then what kind of setup or motor do you guys have in this thing, like down to, you know, some smaller details?
It's a D-Cat, I think.
It's a B-Cat, B-model cat.
B-model cat.
It's been repowered. Big Equipment repowered it back in the day. It's got 420 horse.
410 horse. It's
1971,
1971.
410 horse.
That's awesome. Said it took 9 days for Montana to come out here, right?
Yeah.
9 days.
Had a good trip, everybody.
Yeah, that's
9
awesome.
days, and it was such an experience.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like one of the best experiences. When we went up to it a couple days early before the semi came up, when we got to the tractor, I was like, what did we get ourselves into?
Yeah.
And I was like,
You having fun at?
How could someone even pull off a paint job on it? But then when we brought it, it's like it's just a breathtaking experience.
Yeah. And you having a fun time at the truck show? You see some cool trucks out there?
Oh yeah, I saw some cool ones, alright.
And I seen you were playing hoops a little bit earlier on the little a Mac Trailer semi. We'll show some video of that later. But
Until someone stole the balls.
yeah, until someone stole the balls. So you're gonna be testing the sled out here in a little bit.
Pull it 3 times back and forth for a test pull.
3 times?
The track to be all level.
Yeah.
That's
Hope we get in the
awesome.
right gear.
Yeah. Now I got a question for you. If you had the opportunity to pull a pulling tractor or a truck, what would you like to pull someday if you had the opportunity? Would it be a tractor, a truck, mini rod?
Tractor.
Tractor? A certain color tractor?
John Deere.
John Deere? You're a green fan, huh? Good deal. All right. Thank you guys so much for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate you.